Are you ground?
Yep.
Okay. Yeah, okay. Just set them here.
Hey guys, what's going on? So we're doing this just kind of a little bit backwards. You know, it's Sunday, just out for a nice little drive, and I don't know, you guys, I kind of got some bad news. Like, I'm just really unmotivated. Like, I just don't, you know, it's been crappy. The weather hasn't been super nice. I've had financial obligations that have prevented me from buying parts for the Fox body and for the Celica. My buddy that's going to help me do the wrap, he was on vacation, so I am excited to get the wrap done. But there's just been so many other things going on, you guys, and it's super depressing. You lose interest in your hobby, like your passion, and you just for some reason aren't motivated in that at the moment. It's super depressing. Like, I don't know exactly how I feel. We're just out for a nice little drive right now. I'm gonna go to Runnings. I wanted to show you guys a few things there and kind of get some opinions on a few different things that I have ideas for the shop. But yeah, you guys, I don't know, if you know what I'm talking about, you know exactly how depressing this can be. So we're gonna get to Runnings. I might stop and get something to drink, gas up the old truck, and then we'll get back into this video. So one of the things I want to get is a good vise, but if you go to Menards, they have some that ratchet. So if anybody knows anything about those, let me know. But I'm thinking about this big bad boy right here. Also, under weird circumstance, I remembered seeing these, and they're kind of expensive for what you get, but they would have really come in handy this week, so I'm buying a set. They're just indexable Allen wrenches. That's kind of funny. Look, they know how we like it. All right, guys, so we did pick up a few things from Runnings. Hey, trying to finish a video here. You quiet down. You want to show the tools? All right, so we did pick up a few things from Runnings. I just wanted to say, you know that annoying blister pack that everything seems to come in nowadays that you can't possibly open? Well, Milwaukee, just another reason to love them. So I picked up another Milwaukee Fastback knife. This one actually has a real blade. I have one that I really like, and it has the razor blades. I just use it at work to open boxes and stuff, but now I got one that has a fixed blade on it, and yeah, for like 12 bucks or so. So I got that, and then I wanted to open these up and check these out. I hadn't heard of this brand before, but they're oscillating Allen heads, which I think could come in handy in a number of situations. But this packaging. So blister pack, look what they did. They put serrations in the cardboard on the back, so literally you just had to like, boop, there's the knife. So Milwaukee, I love you guys. Let's open these things and let's check them out. All right, again, so these are the oscillating, I guess, flex head adjustable Allen wrenches. They are from Hex Pro by Bondus. So this company designs the tools in the US, and then they're manufactured in Taiwan, which, as you know, if you're into tools, is a lot better than China. It says lifetime guarantee, so we'll have to see about that. I really like that they have this Torx bit to adjust this on here, so you could loosen this up or tighten it up on this hinge. So if you wanted it to hold a position kind of like they do now, you could do that, or you could loosen it up so it flops around, and then you can just get over and around a lot of obstacles when you're working. They come with a 10, an 8, a 6, a 5, and a 4. I wish there was a 7 in this set for some of the Ford stuff, but yeah, pretty nice. All right, so I remembered seeing this set in the store at Runnings one day when I was walking around, and I kind of wanted them, but it was $35 for this set. And like I said, I mean, they're pretty beefy. They got the hex on both ends, the bottom and the top portion that oscillates. And I didn't really, I don't know, I just didn't want to spend the money. 35 bucks seemed like a lot for what this kit was. And lifetime warranty, I've done videos on this before. Snap-on Mac, where you can actually just have someone come to you. It's easy. Some of these companies, you got to jump through some hoops. So we'll see how that goes. But for 35 bucks, you can bet that if I break one, I'm definitely going to try to get the warranty done. Now, in the last couple weeks, I found different times that I thought I really could have used these, and one of the huge ones being the new Ford brake calipers. They're a complete pain in the ass, where the parking brake is actually integrated into the brake caliper, so there isn't anything to press back. It's not a piston, it's a screw type piston for the parking brake. And they hold the calipers on that particular design with usually an 8mm Allen, and it's got like a plastic cover on it you pull off, and then you could stick this in there. But an Allen wrench isn't quite long enough. These have a lot more length to them, and most of the time the rear coil springs for the suspension is in the way to get like your Milwaukee tools in there, stuff like that, power tools. So I thought these would be super nice because you can manipulate the angle on this guy, straighten it out, bend it, whatever you need to do to get those off. And I was just working, and sometimes that's how it goes, you know. I was like, God, I wish I would have had those. So today went and picked up some dog bones and just thought I'd show you guys this. As always, I'll use these for a while and kind of tell you what I think after some extended use and abuse. So guys, that is about going to wrap up today's video. Just a quick little tool video, kind of explain to you, you know, I've been going through some stuff. I had some financial obligations, and honestly this made me a little more excited again, but it's been a grind lately, and you almost kind of feel like you lose yourself when your passion suddenly becomes like a drag, right? And it's just a phase, it'll come back. I think winter and all that good stuff is just kind of playing a factor here. Thankfully, it has gotten a lot nicer out in the last couple of days here. We hit almost 30 degrees today, so that means I'll be able to wrap the Celica in the garage. I'm not telling you what color that is. Bryce is going to come and help with that. And now I can also apply the engine paint to the Fox body engine. As you know, my shop is heated with a wood stove. Temperatures are just not consistent enough when it's 20 below zero for me to comfortably paint the engine block or the carbon fiber hood for the Celica. It just, I was not confident that the paint would adhere correctly. So you guys, thanks for watching the video. As always, if you enjoyed, drop me a comment down below on any questions that you might have or anything you want to see in the future. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you have not already, and we'll see you next time.